Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today is another unboxing. If you guys have not seen my last one, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna put these up, which one I'm gonna put first, when I'm gonna put them up, but I'm filming these on the same day. I filmed a Tiffany & Co. Supreme collaboration unboxing, and today I am filming the YEEZY Runner Knit Boot unboxing. Oh, YEEZY Knit Runner Boot. Wow. It is a lot. These have been memed. These have been
they're really neat.
They give me very big bird but bougie, big booty vibes. If that makes sense to you. If you see my vision, let me know down below. This is what it gives me. I live in Florida, so do I need these? Absolutely not. But I saw them and I thought, let me just at least try for them on Confirmed. And believe it or not, I hit, which is shocking because Confirmed has not been nice to me lately. So, of course, they would give me the big bootylicious boots of all things.
Anyways,
I'm very excited to check these out, see what they're all about, try them on, see what they're like. I wasn't able to hit on the knit runners. The last, I think it was like the first one that they released of those, which are kind of cool, kind of weird, but I'm very interested to try them. I love the foam runners. I have a pair and I ordered 2 more pairs because I really like them. I think they're very comfortable. They're easy to wear and they're pretty cool looking. So I'm interested to see how these fit in comparison. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, I unbox shoes, I unbox sneakers, I unbox Supreme, I unbox, you know, pretty much anything. I do some vlogs here and there. So if you guys are interested in content like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you here and become a part of the little family. And if you guys want to see how I style all of my items on my Instagram, if you guys want to give it a follow, I'll put it on the screen here so you guys can check it out. And with that being said, let us get into this unboxing because I'm really interested to see what these look like and how they fit. When I looked at these and I saw these online, everyone memeing, I think they were memeing the other pair more. I'm gonna pop those on the screen too, because it looks like a comforter and the foam runner like were stitched together, but this one looks like a comforter and the knit runner stitched together. But it definitely gives me very much Big Bird, and I'm very excited about it. I'm excited to see what it really looks like. Will I ever get use out of these? Most likely not. But these retailed for $400, which is a very hefty price tag. So when I hit on these Unconfirmed, I both cried and was a little shocked at the same time. All right, so this is what the box looks like. Knit runner, you know, your usual YEEZY box. It is extremely heavy. I did get a size 8 because that is the size that I normally purchase for the foam runner, since you're supposed to go about a size up for those. So I thought to keep it the same because the knit runner and the foam runner are similar in sizing, or so I've heard. I don't own the foam runner, so we're gonna find out. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna let you know. But yes, this is what it looks like. It is the YEEZY Knit Runner Boot. Let's look. I expected the box to be a little bit bigger. I don't know why. And these are, oh, they're actually less Big Bird in person. That'll give you. This is what they look like in the box. These are kind of cool. Honestly, I'm not mad about them. This is what it looks like. I expected it to be more of a bright colored yellow. I also think that the lights in here are making this look a lot brighter than it is. It's more of a mustardy yellow on the base, and then on the bottom, I would say it gives like cooked egg yolk. That's a very specific term, but this is exactly what a cooked egg yolk looks like to me. You have these nice ridges on the bottom. It definitely looks like you could go hiking in this. And the material on this is like a thick canvas almost, it feels like, on the like the meat of the shoe. And then you have this very interesting, almost like a sweater, but like a stuffed sweater, kind of like puffy sweater feeling on the upper part of the boot. This is a Velcro right here, and it's also different shades of tan. So you have like a cool tone tan on the bottom, more towards the knit runner, and then you have a more camel color towards the top. And this color here is like a navy and a gray. So very interesting. This is also suede here. I don't know if you guys are able to see. It's a nice suede. It's very, very soft. And on the outside of the shoe, it does say the size. So if you're self-conscious about the size of your shoe, this is not it for you. Because it says size 8 US, waterproof, designed in the USA. So let's unvelcro her. Okay, very interesting. I feel like if you had the Knit Runner, that would be a really cool comparison between the two of these, what the difference is. I'm also interested with this little like divot here. I don't know if you guys can see, it like goes in on the sides. So maybe it makes your foot look extra curvy when you're wearing it, but you can't really see it over all this. I don't know, can you see it now? This is a very interesting boot. It's definitely very chunky too. Like it's got weight to it. It's not a light shoe. Like when I think of the Knit Runner or the foam runner, I think of a light, airy, like casual shoe. This is very, this is clearly meant for the wintertime, I know, but I still expected it to be a little bit lighter. I'm not sure why. And I really like this design on the bottom. It's very interesting. It looks almost like a sun, like the sun, when you draw a sun, you draw the little things, I don't know. But it's a pretty cool looking shoe. I'm not upset with it. I'm not upset with Big Bird. It looks less Big Bird in person for sure. It's less aggressive. These are more muted than it looks like online, and probably than the camera is allowing you to see. Maybe that's more true to color there, if you can check that out. Yeah, it's more of like a mustardy color. I am going to put some up close and on feet video of this, that way you guys can get a better look at it, but I have to say that the quality, much like most Adidas shoes, is very, very good. You can tell that it's quite good quality, that the materials are very nice. The only thing I do notice is that there's visible glue on the base of the shoe where the outsole and this part meet. You can see a little bit of glue, but it's not a huge amount. It's not like the like Nike quality control. You also have an Adidas embossing on the heel of the shoe, which is really cool. I really like that a lot. And yeah, let us get into the on feet and up close, because I'm like dying to try these on and see what they're like on. Will I be able to walk in them? I wonder what the sizing is like. So let me do that and I will come back to you guys. I just wanted to pop back after trying these on and say that they're very comfortable. They're not too hot, and they do run the same sizing as the foam runners, maybe even a little tiny bit tighter. So if you're looking to grab a pair of these, or probably the Knit Runners, because I'm assuming this is the same base as the Knit Runner, I would say get one size up, because I run about size 7 in the 350s and I get a size 8 in the foam runners. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If it helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed down below. I would really love to have you here and be a part of the family. And again, let me know if you guys hit on these. If you didn't, if you would actually buy these. Is this something that you were interested in, or you just thought this was just weird? Because if you thought it was just weird, I'm also interested in knowing that, because I too thought it was very weird. I kind of like it more now in person. I think it's quite cool. Can I pull it off? I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Check my Instagram and see if I put an outfit together with it. If I don't, you know I couldn't pull it off. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!